सैनिटाइजर चेक, मास्क चेक, ग्लव्स चेक और भी कुछ होता है. Oh, hey guys, I'm Twinkle. Welcome to my another episode of the podcast. Listen to food. Well, I'm extremely sorry. Was just checking. मैं कुछ भूल तो नहीं रही बाहर जाने से पहले. आप भी मत भूलिएगा. वेल, आवाज़ सुन के आपको तो पता ही चल गया होगा that I was so excited when I stepped out for the very first time around 240720 something days feel like. Yes, a place finally took me out from home. A place I couldn't resist saying no. So I went to this place called the Central Park. Yes, you heard that right. The Central Park is now in our city of Nawabs. The cafe is located at Patrakarpuram, Lucknow, owned by two siblings who are a big fan of a web series called Friends and have marked their presence on 15 July 2020 in the hearts of Nawabs with making their dream project come true to run a cafe on Friends theme. By God, they have tried each and every possible thing to make that happen, which you could relate to Friends and feel like you are actually in there with the friends. From Huxley to Joey Dog, Monica's kitchen to her door, from Joey and Chandler door in the couch, they have made that all happen. By observing, they have tried to put each and every single detail in the cafe which will make you feel you are actually in the web series. Well, to make everything possible for us, it took them around 6 months. Though the place is very pretty and hell relatable to Friends. As per the situation, they are taking all the precaution, like they have placed the sanitizer stand outside the premises and they scan your body temperature and will ask for your contact details before giving you the entry. The staff is covered with a mask, face shield, gloves and shoe covers. Before making you sit, they sanitize the table and chairs on the couch. Also, the best thing I liked was they are welcoming their guests by serving them with a complimentary immunity booster drink. And now let's head to our favorite section, of course the menu. So let me tell you, they have kept all the signature dishes which will make you remember of each and every episode, from watching them eating Joey's pizza to Monica's turkey or lasagna or raw sandwiches, and of course the Big Mug coffee they used to drink in the Central Park. I swear, every single thing will amaze you. So the things I tried and tasted were: number 1, the Central Park special coffee, and you won't believe this. I was sitting and checking up the menu and asked the owner about the coffee, and it just comes in front of me because he already made that order for us to try. It is called the Central Park special coffee because the one you have seen in the series holding them big cups of coffee, they have the same. And after sipping the coffee, I guess finally I have found a place to have a good coffee which is thick, strong and can balance sugar by yourself. Also, the mug was hell heavy. I couldn't even hold that properly. The other thing I tried was veg lasagna, which had lots and lots of veggies and cheese and had flatbread pasta in it. It was very creamy and a bit spicy. Actually, I don't eat spicy much, but I think it would be very normal for you guys. So definitely you can go with that. The last thing I tried was raw sandwiches, which are complemented with nachos and dips. And after having them, I guess you will totally start behaving like Ross and say the only good thing in my life is that sandwich. And you will not share your sandwich, and if somebody ate your sandwich by hiding from you, you are gonna yell, "Somebody ate my sandwich." Also, if you haven't watched Friends, they have made that possible too. They ran episodes on the TV so you can enjoy eating your food while binging together with the show. So if you are or not a Friends lover, I would suggest and recommend to head over the place whenever you feel safe and want to step out from your home. So Lucknowties, wear your mask, take your sanitizer, cover your hands with gloves, and you are ready to step out. I guess now I would take leave for now and will meet you next Tuesday with another episode. I hope you guys like it, and for pixels you can check my Insta post and highlight section named the Central Park. I will give the link in the description so you can click on that and can directly go watch it, or you can search Exposure by Twinkle on Insta. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.